Morning girls. Today we'll do social studies lesson 14 climate of India, different seasons of India. Climate. When we speak of climate, we mean the average weather condition prevailing at a place recorded over a long time period. That is, climate is the average weather condition, the weather condition for a longer period. Weather condition recorded over a longer period is climate. The climate is generally defined as the average state of weather condition. Now, weather condition, for example, temperature. For a longer period, weather condition of a place, temperature recorded, or it can be rainfall, humidity, winds recorded for a longer period of time. That is climate. For climate average, a minimum period of 35 years is desirable. Suppose if you are asked to tell the climate of India, you might reply that is climate is tropical and subtropical. For India, you will say the climate of India is tropical or it can be subtropical. Why? Because India lies in the tropical and subtropical zones to the north of equator. Our country is in the north of equator. It lies in the north of equator, and so we can say the climate of our country is tropical and subtropical. Although India lies in the above mentioned zones, yet its climate is largely affected by the tropical monsoon winds. Our country is tropical or subtropical climate it has. Our country has tropical, subtropical, but our climate is also affected by the tropical monsoon winds. The winds coming from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So the climate is affected. Therefore, the climate of India is often called the monsoon type of climate. That is, the winds, monsoon winds affect the climate of India. Did you follow? Monsoon winds affect the climate of India. And what is climate? The average weather condition recorded for a longer time. Weather condition, that is temperature, rainfall, humidity, winds recorded for a longer period of time, that is climate. And our country is tropical or subtropical, and yet our country's climate is affected because of the monsoon winds.